So, hola guys. Buenos días, muchas gracias mi amor, canto de mi corazón. Salamat din sa mga nag-subscribe sa akin na newly, na it almost 30. That's why my subscribers now is almost 1,500 na. So much happy and grateful for having like that. So this is it guys. So even simple lang yung mga contents ko about God, and then nagugustuhan nyo pa rin. So sa part na yun, I am so much grateful na nakapasaya ko kayo kahit in a little bit only. Diba? So di man tayo famous because I am ordinary as a human being, but I am famous in the most highly above. So, andito ako para mag-show ng talent ko, and then para maipakita ko ang aking galing kung anong mayroon ako. So, yun lang. At nag-i-enjoy ako sa ginagawa ko. Dahil noon pa man, yan talaga ang talent ko. Since I was in high school, before I am a stage player, my role is always contrabida and doña because I'm Spanish. Yeah. So that's all. Thank you so much, everyone, and to all over the world. Muchas gracias, mi amor, canto de mi corazón. I am forever. Thank you. Sa susunod ulit. I love you all. In the name of Jesus Christ.